Good day and welcome to the MathHub Mathematics Institute Ascending. In today's lesson, toda kuita that question, Cambridge, June 2007. It's a question on advanced level pure mathematics and the topic is quadratics. Saka ndine nzira mbiri dzandoda kuita this question. My method number 1 is going to be intuitive. So kana nchiti intuitive ndikureva kuti it's a method which we are going to apply, but tichishandisa reasoning. We are going to reason through the question so that we can see how the question should be done. In our method number 2, we are going to be using discriminant. So we learned a lot of things about the discriminant. We want to be able to apply that. So let us begin. Of course, we have to start by reading the question. Question iri kuti find the value of the constant c for which the line y is equal to 2x panapa ndi plus. Apanyatsukuoneka apa ndi plus. Saka zvanzi for which the line y is equals to 2x plus c is a tangent to the curve y squared is equal to 4x. That is the question we are given. Saka kazhinji patinopiwa ma questions ema curves, we should be able to visualize the problem. But paku visualize a problem, hatisi kufanirwa kusketcha the graph as it is, because tikadaro we are going to consume our own time. So this method ndinokurudzira kuti your graph kana your visualization munoitira pa rough paper, then mozongouya ku worksheet kwenyu muine the solution you propose, because hatisi kuda ku sketcha that graph tichiri represent accurately. We want to save on time. So we have a curve and a line. So let me write this. We have the equation of a curve. What is the equation of the curve? The equation of the curve dy squared is equal to 4x. Then we have the equation of the tangent. Zvatoda kuita panapa, it's engineering. Toda kuita engineer an answer from first principles. So the equation of the tangent y is equal to 2x plus c. Tirikuda kutsvaga c. Okay. Let us have a visualization of what is happening. We should have a working knowledge of what a tangent is and what a curve is. Saka kukurangaridzai, tangent a line rinoguma kana kuti rinobata our curve on one particular point. That is what a tangent is. So tichaenda ku rough paper kwedu nekuti hatisi kuda kusketcha this curve tichiri represent accurately. Taenda ku rough paper kwedu tichadai so we have a curve, then let us assume kuti tangent yedu inenge yakadai so, something like this. Okay, then tadai so manje we are going to have our axis, of course. Saka we need a y axis, we need an x axis, and the reason why tanyora like this, of course this is rough paper, please musazviisa pa final working yenyu nepamusana pekuti handina kutombotarisa kuti this is sketch of this curve redu it's y squared is equals to 4x, but we are going to change that a little. Maybe let us start by changing that. Saka equation of the curve tinenge takutora the square root of both sides. So the square root of y squared in y is equal to, then the square root of 4x can be written as the square root of 4 multiplying the square root of x. Izvi mofanirwa makazvidzidza kumasads kana musina kuzviita, notify us through comments and we will show you where we did it. Kureva kuti y is going to be equal to the square root of 4, it's 2, and so it's actually 2 root x. Saka taona kuti y is equals to 2 root x, that's our curve, like this. Andika? Then taudzwa kuti this tangent yet iri kubata our curve at this point, it's y is equals to 2x plus c. Saka tikatarisa c, which represents the y-intercept, kureva the point where the line crosses the y-axis, kureva panapa. C uyari positive, that is why panapa tameka sure kuti anenge ari ku positive side kwa y. So what is going to be the coordinate here? Coordinate panapa inenge iri the x value ndi 0 and the y value ndi c. So at that particular point, the coordinate is going to be 0, c. Okay. Now, tikatarisa the relationship between a curve and a tangent. Tiri ku O-level taitoshandisa a tangent ku approximata, ku estimata the gradient of a curve upon a point. Saka panosangana a tangent, which is a line, and a curve on a simultaneous point, the curve and the tangent share the same gradient at that point. Kureva kuti gradient ye line redu iri yatiri kuona pachena panapa kuti ndi 2, nekuti tinoziva y is equals to mx plus c, which is the generalized, cannot the general equation of a line. Y is equals to mx plus c, where m represents gradient. Kune vakanganwa takadzidza kuti y is equals to mx plus c ndio equation of a line, m ino represent a gradient. Saka 2 ndio inenge gradient. Kureva kuti at this point the gradient of that curve is equal to 2. But kuti tuwane the gradient of a curve tinoda chi? Tinoda a gradient function. So what we are going to do, and also the reason why we had to re-express the equation of the curve as y is equals to 2 root x, kuti panapa ngatiwedzere y is equals to 2 x multiplying cannot x raised to the power half. Kureva kuti the gradient function dy dx inenge iri equal to 2 multiplying half x to the power half subtracting 1. Andika aya matu achachekana. So this is basically equal to x to the power minus half, which is 1 over x to the power half, which is 1 over root x. Saka 1 over root x ndiyo gradient function, kana kuti ndo gradient redu. Asi isusu taona kuti gradient ye tangent ne gradient re curve pa point panosangana tangent ne curve zvenge zvakafanana. Kureva kuti kana tiri panapa, gradient of curve enge equal to gradient of tangent, and we know kuti zvese zviri equal to chi? To 2 because of this. So we are going to take this, we are going to take the gradient function tot it's equal to 2. Kana tikaequata the gradient function to 2, through that method tinenge tatowana the x value iri panapa. Handisi kuziva kuti manzwisisa here zvandiri kuzama kutsanangura. Panogumana panosangana tangent ne curve panenge paine the same gradient. Saka tikatarisa the equation of the tangent tiri kuudzwa kuti the gradient is equal to 2. So we are going to use that logic to equally approximate, cannot to equally note that at that particular point the gradient of the curve is also equal to 2. Saka kana tika differentiate the function of the curve, gradient function yedu tikazoequata kuna 2 tinenge taita maths dzakanaka. So how are we going to do this? Allow me to remove a portion panapa. So portion yaida kuremove ndeino. Let us remove this, and zvatakuda kuita panapa ndeizvi. Tichati gradient of curve and it is actually given by 1 over root x, which is the gradient function, is equal to 2. Saka tadai so much. Let us solve that. Saka 1 over root x is equals to 2. Tikaita cross multiplication, tinenge takuti root x is equal to 1/2. We take the square of both sides. Saka the square root of x tikairaisa to the 2 inongodzoka iri x, pane cancellation effect panapa. This is equal to, then we know kuti kana yakadai so we apply a law of indices inoti a over b to the power n is equal to a to the power n over b to the power n. Zvinoreva izvo kuti panapa inenge iri 1 squared over 2 squared, which is a quarter. Therefore x is equal to a quarter. Quarter yacho ndepanapa. It is the value of x at this point. Kureva kuti, allow me remove this part. Zviri kurebwa pano ndezvekuti kuri kuti tada kuisa ma coordinates epari kusangana tangent ne curve redu. The x value is going to be a quarter, then takuda kuwana the y value. But kuti tiwane the y value, is it difficult? Kuwana y value hakunetse, nekuti y value tinongotora the original function. Original function iri kuti chi y squared is equals to 4x, to substitute x, kureva kuti y squared iri equal to 4 multiplying x value ndiani, because apa pakapa toda kutsvaga the y value apa, toda kutsvaga this value ya y kuitira kuti tizive kuti at this point what is x, what is y. Saka kuti tiwane y tinotora the original function ye curve to substitute the value of x kuti tisare tina y watiri kuwana. Saka panapa tinenge takuti multiplying a quarter. Saka mafu achachekana, y squared is equal to 1. Take the square root of both, kureva kuti y inge iri equal to 1. Zvarebwa pano ndezvekuti the value of y apo is going to be 1. Again, we are not going to say plus or minus 1 because from our understanding of the question, y is going to be a positive. Okay. Saka kana tawana ma coordinates awo mawaniro atamaita zvichanetsa here. Kana takuda kutsvaga the value of c, takutodzokera ku O level. Kana takapiwa 2 points and pa 2 points idzodzo pane a missing value, topiwa ne gradient, hazvinetsika kuti tichiwana zvatiri kutsvaga. Saka tinozviwana seyama. Tinenge takuti therefore gradient, and we know that gradient is given by change in y over change in x, but gradient racho tinotoriziva kudhara kuti is equal to 2. 2 yabvepi ino ishi. Pa point panapa gradient ye curve and gradient of tangent is the same. Saka change in y yacho iri kuti kudini? Change in y inenge ichiti 1 minus c. 1 minus c over change in x ndo yakuti a quarter minus 0. Taking it from what you learned in your O level, kuti kana tikati 1 minus c, when we go for the difference in x, tofanga kutanga futi ne this bracket, kana this point, a quarter minus 0. So 1 minus c of a quarter minus 0 is equal to 2. If we solve this, we are going to get our value of c. So let us do that. So we are going to 1 and minus c over, then a quarter minus 0 is obviously a quarter. This is equal to 2. Okay, saka panapa what are we going to do? Saka eventually panapa ichava 4 multiplying 1 minus c over 1 is equal to 2. Zvabvepi? Because hatikuda kungotaura. Zvabva pakuti tikaisa 1 minus c bracket andika to divide ne quarter. Patinozochinja quarter, patinozochinja from division to multiplication inge ya 4 over 1. Sando panozobva kuti 4 multiplying 1 minus c over 1 is equals to 2. Then kana takuda kusolve this, tenge takungoti 4 minus 4c is equals to 2. Kureva iko kuti 4 minus 2 is equal to 4c. Saka 4 minus 22, 2 is equal to 4c. Therefore, c is equal to 1/2. Do our final answer. So I don't know, but sometimes we have to visualize to make sense of things. Sezvataita. Remember, visualization munoitira kuraf paper, because in your visualization you do not care kuti curve renyu rine maximum turning point here kana kuti rine minimum turning point. That's immaterial. You do not care about that. Just make sure kuti c yenyu you recognize kuti c yenyu inenge iri positive, kureva kuti inofanirwa kuva kumusoro kwa x-axis line. That's important. Then moziva futi kuti panapa pamunenge muchidila nema-square roots, we are going to retain positives, because question yenyu iri kuindicator kuti the function is positive. Saka c is equals to 1/2 amadzangu. Answer iyo munoiwana. That is how you think. That is how you have to think kana muchita zvinizvi. There is a quicker and easier way which is going to make my method number 2. So this method number 2, there is no need to visualize. You just have to use the principles of discriminants. So let us get to it. Tuone kuti tinoita sei. Chatiri kuda panapa tinoda ngoshandisa zvatakadzidza pama discriminants. Of course, we are going to summarize zvatakadzidza zvacho. Okay. Saka question yedu, find the value of the constant c for which the line y is equals to 2x plus c is a tangent to the curve y squared is equals to 4x. What happens kana ma curve ari 2 akasangana? When two curves meet, kuti tizive, let us think of an example. Let us think of straight lines. Ngatiti we have a Cartesian plane. We have straight lines. And these straight lines, they are meeting at this point. Tikada kuziva kuti what is the x value panapa and the y value. Tikada kuziva the coordinates of the point where two curves meet. Tinozviweka sei? Tinongosolva ma-simultaneous equations. So tikangosolva ari ma-simultaneous equations, that way tinenge takutoziva kuti what are the coordinates of that point. So the logic is going to apply equally panapa, because panapa we have a curve. We don't care kuti curve racho robda sei. Then we also have a tangent. Saka tine curve tine tangent. Zviri kusangana on a simultaneous point. Saka kuti tizive pano kuti x angari chi, y angari chi, we are going to deal with what? Simultaneous equations. Saka for simultaneous equations, we must have two equations. Of course, there are simultaneous equations which have three equations. Monodzidza a part of it in O level, but we are going to learn a greater part of it in pure maths A level. But we need to know the two equations. Saka equation yedu yekutanga, y is equals to 2x plus c. Question number 1. Question yedu yechi2, y squared is equal to 4x, like this. Equation number 2. Of course, tinogona kuti equation 1 into equation 2, kureva kuti pana y muequation 2 panenge pakuenda 2x plus c. So panapa yakuti chi 2x plus c squared is equal to 4x. Expand here, 2x plus c is equals to 4x. Sakapo eventually it's actually 4x squared plus 2cx plus 2cx plus c squared is equal to 4x, like that. Saka panapa tikada ku expressa further inenge chiti 4x squared plus 4cx plus c squared is equal to 4x. But tikada kuinyora as a quadratic equation, hear me here, tikada kuinyora as a quadratic equation tinenge takuti 4x squared plus 4cx, then 4x yakuya kuside yoti minus 4x plus c squared is equals to 0, because quadratic equations should always be equal to 0. So here we can play around with it. Kuti sari yakadai so 4x squared plus pakati panapa to factor out x, saka inenge yakuti 4c minus 4x plus c squared is equal to 0. Saka ino yatagadzira is a quadratic equation. Iri quadratic equation, remember this, we have only one point pari kusangana our two curves, and kana line redu iri ne curves zichisangana pa one point tinenge tiine chi repeated roots, and kana tiine ma repeated roots takati discriminant inofamba sei, takati b squared minus 4ac discriminant inenge iri equal to 0. A level maths ndo A level maths amadzangu. Saka patenge tichikupai ma exercises aye kuti anga chingoti find the gradient of chichi, find the discriminant, hazo matestero anoita simsek Cambridge. Ku A level munotestewa your ability to apply, so you have to think. So ma exercises atinokupai anonzi ma concept review exercises. I-exercise yekuti inini semudzidzisi wenyu ndingoziva kuti makugona kushandisa discriminant. Kwese nchayo inoya yakadai so. Saka hakuna umwe mushonga kupiwa maths kunze kwekuweka nekusangana nemibvunzo yakawanda muchiziva mabvunziro avanoita nekudini. Kuitira kuti pamunozopinda muzimseki muCambridge munenge mabikwa. Pamunosangana nequestion munenge mane ma-tools amunogona kuapply very quick kuti muone kuti inoitwa sei. Saka tinogona kuti kunyora statement kuti 4 repeated roots b squared minus 4ac discriminant is equal to 0. Tikatarisa this quadratic equation yedu tinoona kuti quadratic equation, by the way, rangarirai inenge iri ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Saka todaza kuti a yapo ndiani? A are equal to 4 because a should be the coefficient of x squared. Then b anenge ari equal to chi 4c minus 4 because b the multiplier cannot coefficient ya x. Then c the c squared nekuti c is a constant and constant yedu iri squared, saka c anenge ari c squared. Takuda kuchiapply manje zvatadzidza about what? The discriminant there. So discriminant yedu iri kuti b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0. B yedu ndeyandi 4c minus 4, saka tichati 4c minus 4 squared b squared minus 4 multiplying a wedu ndeyani ndi 4, c wedu ndeyani ndi c squared. This is equal to what? To 0. Tikasolva hiyo tichawana kuti c ndeyani, anditi? Saka ngati isolve itona. Saka panapa it's 4c minus 4, 4c minus 4. Apo togona kutoti 4 minus 4 times 4 minus 16 times c squared, so it's minus 16 c squared is equals to 0. Mira yamone chibuda pachena. Okay, saka panapa taku expanda 4c times 4c, that's 16 c squared, then 4c times minus 4 ndi minus 16c, minus 4 times 4c ndi minus 16c, then minus 4 times minus 4 ndi plus 16 minus 16c squared is equal to 0. Okay, saka 16c squared na minus 16c squared so chekana panapa tichasara tina minus 16c minus 16c, which is minus 32c plus 16 is equals to 0. Saka tengeta kuti chi 16 iri equal to 32c, divide everything na 32, saka c iri equal to 16 to 16 ndi 1 into 32 ndi 2, c is equal to half zvapera. So I showed you two methods, you pick which one you want. By the way, a disclaimer, when I show you more than one method and kuti zivai ese, of course it's to your advantage kuziva ese, kunzwisisa ese. Ndiri kuti kuri kuti method yangu yekutanga muna kuinzwisisa, mune mukana wekudzidza method yechi2. Because I'm teaching a nation, I'm teaching a lot of people, a people of different abilities, different mental capacities, different everything. So I try to put in my methods akawanda so that I cater for a wider audience. Dzimwe nguva mimi mchida kuziva opinion yangu, which method should I use, which method do I advise, which method do I have a bias over. I think method 2 is smart, takes you directly to the answer. Method 1 inoita senge inotenderera because inoda kuapply zvakati one day. So if you learn method number 2, zvakuda manje siso rinoona kuti apa panofanira kushanda discriminant, apa panofanira kushanda chakati. So this is it, brethren. This is what we wanted to learn. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to use the comments. Thank you. I tender my invitation to you. Kune vanoda kujoina our school, the Methab Mathematics Institute na Sendi. You WhatsApp us on 071 521 3310. Kana musiri muZimbabwe, use the code +263. So chikoro chedu chiri designed especially for repeating students, and repeating trutaura in the context of O-level. So if you want to write O-level maths, makambodzinyora mukasabuda zvakanaka, hazvinei kuti makanyora kangani uye makapedzisira kudziita rini. If you follow our lessons, you are guaranteed to have a fighting chance mukada kunyora zimseke. But if you want more private, more close practice, nema lessons are tailor-made for you, then you have to WhatsApp us and we have an arrangement. When it comes to A-level, to those who are struggling with advanced level pure maths, I know kuti pure maths can be a menace. So those who are struggling, we are also giving you an invitation. Mukangoona enyuma lessons haya, they will benefit you. But if you want to polishiwa, you have to join us. Thank you and have a nice day.